Welcome back to another video. It's on the G35 this time. What we're doing today is replacing the hard line for the clutch with a stainless steel braided line. Disconnected the hose from the master just to get it out of the way. That's why I drained the whole system. As you can see, the line I'm going into down there. My fingers are doodling right there. Yeah, but fittings that came with the kit. These right here, and you know this goes on the stove. This is a connection into the master, and make sure this goes up into the line. If you look in there, pay attention, you see this piece goes up, not down into the actual hydraulic system. So just want to bring that up to date so y'all, you know, watching the hydraulic laps can see the whole crap from in here is gone, that dampener system. So yeah, there it is. That's it for this video. Clutch is fixed. We're gonna say fixed. It was burped before, but we had a little issue while driving, so I gotta burp it again. But other than that, she's ready. So hopefully next video will be drive home. Appreciate y'all watching as always, and thank you so much.